We'll start. Let's say we're now joining pipes of different diameters. If they're the same diameter, basically, we'll take one pipe. If they are different diameters, then first we take the large pipe that we will be joining and trace it on paper. You can also, in principle, use a compass if the pipe is heavy. Well, here's a circle like this. Now we need to cut this circle out of a sheet of paper. So, I cut a circle out of paper from this pipe. Now look what we need. We need this pipe that we will be cutting out. Yes, we'll take this one. So, now we take our circle and place it in the center like this and push it until it stops. Here are the places where the stops are. We put dots and connect these lines. We also find the center by eye. In principle, our template is ready. Now we will mainly work with it. Next, we need to divide this pipe into two parts. One, and the other opposite. Two. Now we take our template, place it like this, and so these edges reach here, and this one reaches here. And we trace. And the same thing on the other side. Look, this is how it works. Now we'll need to extend it a little bit here because we bent it and it lost its radius and diameter. Now let's just eyeball it a little bit. And that's basically it. Now let me cut it out and check. That's it, I've cut it out. Let's take a look now. That's basically it. Everything's perfect. No gaps, nothing. It fits perfectly. Basically, everything is clear with this pipe now. Now we need to cut something much more complex. This is at 45 degrees. That's how to do it. Even if we cut it at 45 degrees on a machine, we still get the gaps, you see? In any case, this needs to be done with templates, or, as I'll show you, a very simple method. Basically, now let's start cutting at 45 degrees. It's nothing complicated. The main thing is to listen carefully. Okay, we also divide the pipe into two parts. One. Next, this is my 60th pipe. Next, I set aside 60 millimeters on one side so that we have 90 degrees under it, that is, at 45 degrees. That's it, we've made the markings. Now we take our template. Here it is, the one we already used, remember? Yes? Here it is. And first we apply it to this line. We draw from here to here. Next, we do the same on the other side, where we have the second mark. These are the markings we've made. Now look, it turns out, we put it in the middle. Here we have these marks connecting exactly, like this. And we draw the same thing. And the same thing on this side. So, now this is what we have. Here's a sharp transition. Yeah, cool. Now we need to make a smooth one here. So, and here, basically, that's it. Now let's cut it out and see if we can connect the bezels or not. So, guys, here's basically what I cut out. Let's take a look. There are practically no gaps. That's how it looks. So that's it, guys.